What is up, you guys? I hope you're having a great day, and if you're a fan of Chainlink and Bitcoin, you definitely need to watch this whole episode. Right now, Chainlink just broke market structure and it broke the trend line. Like we talked about yesterday, it turns out that this could be the Elliott wave that I was talking about in the previous episodes. I will give my exact price target where I think Chainlink will go in a near short term. We will also take a look at Bitcoin and we will do a price analysis of Bitcoin and what I think Bitcoin will do in a near short term. Just quick to all my new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to the club. And if you are new here and you want to stay updated on the latest price analysis of Chainlink and Bitcoin, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you do enjoy these videos, feel free to leave a like as well. At the end of this video, I will show you a Bitcoin chart that you absolutely need to see, because Bitcoin's highest monthly close ever was 14K back in December of 2017. If Bitcoin can close above 14K by the end of this year, things will get really interesting, and I think the most unbelievable bull run people have ever seen will start. Like always, guys, if any of this sounds interesting to you, you definitely should watch the video. Welcome, guys, and as always, my name is Andreas. I have been in Bitcoin since June of 2017. That's when I first started accumulating my first Bitcoin, and I've been investing for 4 years. So let's just jump right into it. So here is the Chainlink chart, guys. Talked about yesterday. We talked about two things yesterday. We talked about the continuation pattern and the Elliott wave, and it turns out that this could be an Elliott wave. So let's just draw the trend line for Chainlink here first. This trend line right here. You can see here that Chainlink did break the market structure, and as we talked about yesterday, this turns out to be an Elliott wave. So you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So as you guys can see, this is what we talked about yesterday and what I said that this could be. It turns out this could be an Elliott wave, and we just broke the trend line. And what do I think will happen next? The thing is, right now Chainlink is in a tricky position because yes, it did just break the trend line, but it's still in the position that it could get a wick up. But do I think that's going to happen? No, I think it's long overdue for Chainlink for a healthy consolidation, and where I think the targets of Chainlink will be. And when your friend is no longer your trend, then that's when you have to readjust, guys. Chainlink broke this trend line. Let's remove these as well, and now we can look at the chart with a pair of fresh eyes, since we did break the market structure. And I don't want to sound like a super bearish person right now, but to me there's another trend line going right here, and that's this trend line right here. So when your trend is no longer your friend, you need to draw a new trend line, and this is the other trend line that you're seeing right here. As you can see, Chainlink has found support here not only once but twice, but 3 times Chainlink found support here, and then it started parabolic up run. So what I think now in the short term is that Chainlink is going to have a healthy consolidation down towards this trend line, and we're going to come down here somewhere at around $14-15. And I know that's not what a lot of you people want to hear right now. Chainlink will create a falling wedge that's going to start from here, and then we take it from the top. So the falling wedge will look something like this, and it's going to take us, so the falling wedge is going to look something like this, where Chainlink is going to bounce around here, not exactly inside here, but and then we're going to come down to this trend line, and that's going to happen in like around of September. Like I said, we're going to make a falling wedge here, and we're going to come down here, and that's also going to match with the resistance here. We're going to come down, test this resistance again at around $14-15, and then we're going to get a bounce, and we're going to continue in the upwards trend. So you should be happy. You're going to be able to accumulate more over the next few months, and then the price will go up again. If you're excited about Chainlink's future, please go ahead and like the video, because I am really excited about Chainlink's future. And you just have to remember, if you just got into Chainlink, the most important thing, I've been in crypto now for over 3 years, is to dollar cost average in. Don't get caught up in the hype train. Put your head down, work every day, save some money, and invest some money every month. Don't FOMO in, fear of missing out, what that means. And the most important thing is to stay level-headed, be calm, be patient. If you find a project that you like, for example like Chainlink, there is no reason to panic right now. But let's move on to Bitcoin now. Here's the Bitcoin chart, guys, and I've already drawn up the ascending triangle that we're currently breaking out of. Like we talked about yesterday, what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin, we're going to find support at this line right here. Is really important that we keep this support, or else this is a fake breakout, and we're going to come down to the triangle. And then it's key that we're able to hold this resistance here at 11,400, 500 if we do come back into the triangle. Is it a big deal if we do come back in the triangle? No, not at all. But what I think is more likely is that we're going to test this support here. We're going to bounce around here for a little, just to make sure that this is a real breakout. And if it is a real breakout, we might go up to like 12,600, 700. This happens a lot, is that we come down again to test this again, just to be like, okay, are we sure about this? And then when we get the confirmation here, we're just going to fly up straight up to 13,000. So Bitcoin is looking very good right now. But if we do come back in this ascending triangle, we do need to hold the support. So here is the amazing Bitcoin chart that I told you guys that I would show you. And also follow Willy Woo on Twitter. He's a really knowledgeable guy. He knows a lot of things about Bitcoin and he gives you a lot of good statistics about Bitcoin. So as you can see here, at the end of 2017, we closed at around 14,000 and we're nearing that target now. Look what happened back in 2017 at the end of 2016 when we finally broke through here, the highest close, and we're getting very close to it. So if Bitcoin can get a monthly close by the end of this year above 14,000, things will get really interesting. And I think we're going to be in for 2 amazing years of an amazing bull run that's going to bring us to at least $100,000 per Bitcoin. And that was it for this video, guys. I really do enjoy making these videos. I'm going to try and make these videos every day. And if you do enjoy my content, feel free to hit that subscribe button. That would really mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace, stay beautiful, and be humble.